So now we have this question. In the figure, OP is equal to the diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle. Prove that ABP is an equilateral triangle. So we are given that OP, this is equal to the diameter of the circle. Yani ki OP is equal to twice the radius, right? And we are given that we have to prove that ABP is an equilateral triangle. ABP. ओके सो पहले मैं समझा देता हूँ इसके अंदर हमें क्या करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम OAP के अंदर साइन थीटा, एक हाइट्स एंड डिस्टेंसेस की जो प्रॉपर्टीज होती है, साइन थीटा इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेनस, ये लगाएंगे. उससे वी विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस एंगल. When we will get the value of this angle, we will get the value of this angle as well, because these angles are equal. Once we get the values of these both angles, we will take out the value of this angle over here and this angle over here. And अगर तीनों angle की value 60 degree आई, then we will get that this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so we start with the question. First of all, in triangle OAP, if we apply sin theta to perpendicular, which is equal to radius, perpendicular OA equal to radius, and hypotenuse which is AP, hypotenuse which is OP, and OP is equal to 2r, yani ki diameter. So we get the value of sin theta as 1/2. Hence we get the angle which is made over there. If we make it as angle 1, if we name it angle 1, then the value of angle 1 will be equal to 30 degree, and then angle 2 will be equal to 30 degree as well. Now we get the value of both these angles as 30 degree. So the complete angle will be equal to angle APB will be equal to 60 degree. Alright. Now we come over this side. Now we need to prove that these angles, we could take it as 3 and 4. We have to prove that these angles 3 and 4 ये भी 60 डिग्री के बराबर है. 3 is 60 degree and 4 is 60 degree. तो ये हम कैसे करेंगे? So we know that tangents passing from the same circle are equal to each other. We know that AP is equal to BP by the properties of tangent. Properties of tangent. We know that these both lines are equal. Now if we apply the angle sum property in this triangle, what will we get is we will get angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle APB equal to 180 degree. We don't know the value of angle 3 and 4 right now. We just know that they are both equal. So if I take twice of one angle, which is twice of angle 3 plus angle APB, which is equal to 60 degree equal to 180. Now I subtract 180, so twice of angle 3 equal to 120, and then angle 3 will be equal to what? 60 degree. Then angle 4 will be also equal to 60 degree. So we get the value of all the angles in this triangle, 1, 2, 4 and 3. We get all the value of all the angles in this triangle to be 60 degree. That means that triangle APB is equilateral, because the value of all the angles is equal to 60 degree. Hence, the triangle is equilateral. So this is an easy question and it can come in your exam.